Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alexa. So as you have seen on my title, this is going to be another unboxing video, but this time it's going to be extra special because we are about to unbox a new Louis Vuitton product, and I can't wait to unbox this with you guys because I've been wanting to have one for so long. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So it comes in this little box here, and I got this straight from the Louis Vuitton website. And for you to open it, you just kind of have to undo this little guy here. And let me just quickly do that for you guys off camera. Now guys, we have already opened the box, so we can go ahead and open it. And I'm so sorry guys, I just can't contain my excitement. So here it is. Here's the box with the little royal blue ribbon or bow, whatever you want to call it. And then here is some details about the product. And so here it is guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But before anything else, let me just quickly show you guys what's in this one here. So basically, obviously you have the Louis Vuitton logo on it, and then you have the little notes for yourself there, and then the thank you note from Louis Vuitton, and then the receipts from your purchase, and then the exchanges and returns information. So it says here that no exchange or return for personalized and engraved items, and I did get mine hot stamped, so obviously I can return it, but I don't really mind because I do want to keep it forever, so that's fine. And then just the delivery details here, and that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and open this little box here. Now guys, here it is. Let me just quickly open that for you. Oh my god, I'm so excited guys, you have no idea. So here it is. Oh my god. And oh my god, I can't believe I have one already. Okay, and then that's the dust bag right there. Okay, and so here comes the beauty, and here it is. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy right now, you have no idea. So here it is. It's the Emilie wallet in Damier Ebene. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. That's the side of it, and then the back. Oh, so gorgeous. So guys, here's just a close-up for you, so you guys can see more clearly. So it has the Louis Vuitton Paris in the front, and here is a side view, the back, which is just plain, and the other side, and then we're back in the front. So this is just a press stud closing, so you just pretty much open it like this. And I did get mine in red interior, and mine is made in France, yes. And then has my name on it in gold, and then there's a note there. It says it's coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and interior lining. Okay, and then it has 4 card slots right here. Okay, and then there is the main compartment, which is quite big, and then the wall pocket right here, where you could put your receipts or cash, and then this is just the zipped coin pocket. Okay. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you what this looks like with some stuff in it, like with cards and cash and some coins, and I will be right back. So now guys, I did put some stuff in it already, and let me just quickly show you what's in it. So I do have 4 of my cards over here, and then I have some more in this pocket right here, and these are just my advantage cards and reward cards. I carry them with me all the time. And then I have some cash right here in this wall pocket, And then I have some coins in the zipped pocket right here. So I have like 2 euros, 1 euros, and 50 cents and whatnot. And then in this main big compartment right here, I'm going to put my old iPhone, which is the 8 Plus. And as you can see, it fits perfectly. And this is the bigger version of the regular iPhone. It fits perfectly, guys, and that's the main reason why I bought this wallet, because you just throw in your phone in there and you have your cash with you, you have your cards with you, and then just close that for you. As you can see, no problem at all when I close that. It looks kind of bulky though, because obviously I have some coins, I have some cards, and plus the phone. But I won't be really having that problem because I don't really carry a lot of coins or cash with me. I don't even really bring coins with me at all. So I won't be really having that problem in the future. But this is just me showing you guys what I could fit in this wallet. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions or comments about this wallet, please leave it in the comment section below and I will be happy to help you. And let me know what you guys think about this wallet, because I do love it and I can already imagine myself bringing this with me everywhere I go. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.